People online claim they're making thousands every month with dropshipping. Some even say it's almost on autopilot with AI. But is that hype, or can it actually work? I decided to test it. Build a Shopify store using only free AI tools, spend under $1, and see if it makes sales. Stick around. The results might surprise you. Step 1. Rules and setup. My challenge had 3 rules. Only free AI tools. Spend no more than $1. Get it done in under an hour on my laptop. I used an AI store builder that instantly created a Shopify site. No coding, no design headaches, just pick a niche. I chose fitness because it's trending, evergreen, and attracts repeat buyers. Within minutes, I had a basic online shop ready to go. Step 2. Store creation and design. The AI handled banners, categories, and product pages. I connected it to Shopify's free trial and picked a clean template. I kept things simple. In e-commerce, clarity builds trust. Customers are more likely to buy if the site looks professional and easy to navigate. A cluttered store usually scares buyers away. Step 3. Products and pricing. I used AutoDS to find trending items, import them automatically, and even set pricing. It pulled in items like a breathing trainer, resistance bands, and golf accessories. For example, a golf swing clip costs just $6 from suppliers, but sells online for around $13. That's almost double. And the best part is I didn't have to manually upload anything. The tool handled images, descriptions, and listings in seconds. Step 4. Branding and domain. To make the store feel like a real brand, I grabbed a cheap .store domain. That small step instantly boosted credibility, because nobody trusts a generic, random-looking link. Then AI took over again. It generated product descriptions, added emojis to make listings more engaging, and even suggested upsells. Normally, that would take hours of copywriting and editing, but here it was done in just minutes. Step 5. Marketing strategy. Now, the most important part, getting traffic. A store without visitors is just a ghost town. Since I couldn't spend on ads, I turned to micro-influencers, creators with between 10,000 and 50,000 followers. They're affordable, they usually get better engagement than big influencers, and their audiences trust them more. I reached out to a fitness influencer, and they agreed to post a short Instagram story featuring the breathing trainer. That single post was enough to start sending real people to the store. Step 6. Results. So, what were the results? Within just 24 hours, the store sold 12 breathing trainers. The profit wasn't huge, about 35 cents after costs. But remember, this was just one product, one influencer, and less than $1 invested. When you think about it, that's powerful. Because if you scale this up, add more products, test different influencers, and repeat the process, you could realistically be looking at thousands in monthly sales. This experiment proves that AI can simplify the process of launching a dropshipping store. It cuts down the time, reduces costs, and gives you the chance to test and scale much faster than before. It's not about overnight riches. It's about building step by step, learning what works, and growing from there. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more experiments like this one.